After watching this video, you will be able to understand the basic concept of political science, explain its nature as a social science, and trace its historical development from ancient to modern times. Introduction. Today we are going to study political science focusing on three main areas. Number 1, the general concept of political science. Number 2, the nature of political science. Number 3, the historical development of political science. Political science is one of the most important social sciences because it deals directly with the state, government, power, authority, and political behavior. Every citizen, whether political active or not, is influenced by political decisions in daily life. General concept of political science. The term political science is composed of two words, political and science. The word political is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city or state. Therefore, political science can be defined as the systematic study of the state and government. What is political science? It studies how states are formed, how governments function, how power is exercised, and how citizens interact with political institutions. Definitions of political science. Aristotle, who is considered the father of political science, called it the master science because it governs and directs all other sciences. Definition number 2. Harold J. Laski defined political science as the study of the state in relation to its past, present, and future. Definition number 3. Paul Janet defined it as the study of the foundations of the state, the principles of government. From these definitions, it becomes clear that political science is mainly concerned with the state, government, authority, laws, and political institutions. Now we will discuss about scope of political science. Political science has a very wide scope. First, it studies the state, including its origin, nature, functions, and objectives. Second, it studies government, including the legislature, executive, and judiciary. Third, it deals with political theories such as liberty, equality, justice, right, and sovereignty. Fourth, it studies political institutions such as constitutions, elections, political parties, and pressures group. Finally, modern political science also includes international relations, foreign policy, diplomacy, international law, and global organizations. Thus, political science is not limited to politics alone, it covers almost every aspect of political life. Nature of political science. Now we come to the nature of political science. Number 1. Political science as a social science. Political science is a social science because it studies human behavior in political settings. It focuses on how individuals and groups behave within the political system. Political science as science or art. There is a long debate whether political science is a science or an art. It is a science because it uses observation, classification, comparison, and analysis of political facts. At the same time, it is an art because governing a state requires practical skills, wisdom, experience, and leadership. Therefore, political science is both science and art. 3. Dynamic nature of political science. Political science is a dynamic or not static. Political system, governments, and ideologies continuously change with time. For example, absolute monarchies gradually transformed into democracies. This shows that political science evolves according to social, economic, and historical changes. 4. Normative and empirical nature. Political science is both normative and empirical. Normative political science deals with ideals such as what the state should be, justice, and ideal governance. Empirical political science deals with reality, studying actual political system, institutions, and behavior. History of political science. Political science developed gradually through different historical periods. Ancient period. The origin of political science can be traced back to ancient Greece. Plato discussed the concept of an ideal state in his book The Republic. Aristotle studied constitutions and classified governments. He emphasizes practical observation and comparative analysis. Medieval period. In the medieval period, political science was influenced mainly by religion. Political authority was considered divine in nature. During this period, political science was closely linked with ethics and philosophy. St. Augustine supported the idea of divine authority while St. Thomas Aquinas attempted to harmonize political authority with religious teaching. During this period, independent political thinking was limited. Modern period. The modern period marked the separation of political from religion. Machiavelli focused on practical politics and power, ignoring moral consideration. Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau introduced the social contract theory, explaining the origin of the state based on agreement among individuals. Concepts such as liberty, equality, democracy, and rights become central themes. Contemporary period. In the contemporary period, political science became more scientific and empirical. It adopted the behavioral approach, focusing on political behavior, voting patterns, public opinion, and policy analysis. Today, political science uses data, statistics, and interdisciplinary methods. Importance of political science. Number 1. Political science helps citizens understand their rights and duties. Number 2. It creates political awareness and promotes responsible citizenship. It strengthens democracy by encouraging informed participation in political process. A strong understanding of political science leads to political stability and good governance. Conclusion. Political science is a comprehensive discipline that studies the state, government, power, and political behavior. Its nature is dynamic, scientific, and philosophical. Its history shows continuous intellectual development from ancient times to the modern era. Understanding political science is essential for building a just, democratic, and stable society.